Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name's Mariyea for those of you guys who are new here, and today I have an exciting unboxing from Simply Gilded. Alright, so I just got this in the mail and I'm so excited. It is the unboxing of the Simply Gilded Luminous library subscription box. So let's just get into it. I have not opened it, as you can tell. I'm so excited for this one. It was so gorgeous. So, and just a forewarning that I will be revealing the mystery item. So if you don't want to know, I wouldn't watch. But yeah, so, oh my gosh. She said that it wasn't coming in a box this month, that it is coming in this gorgeous packaging. And oh my gosh. I love this little bag. I never know what to use these for, but I don't care. I'm going to find something. This is just so beautiful. Okay, let's get into it. Let's see. Alrighty, let's see. Alright, so this, of course, is such a plus because you can reuse it. And we'll just keep her right there. Unless she gets in the way. Alright, so this, I believe, okay, so this is the sticker folder type thing that comes when you just get the sticker subscription. But this month, since there was no box, because of this beautiful thing too, she sent it to everyone. So we're gonna wait and we're just gonna, oh wait, no, because the washi tapes I believe are in here. So we're gonna do this part last. And we'll do this part first. Let's see. This is really pretty and I'm definitely keeping this. I got a little bent up on the sides here, but other than that, it's so gorgeous. I love the book theme. Alrighty. So it just tells you everything that comes in it. And then this is the little journaling card. So pretty. Perfect segue to fall. Like, these colors are perfect. And she did say that there was a mess up right there. So because that looks like that, when they sent it to her, she sent everyone an extra sheet of stickers. So I think that's so awesome. And I never feel like there's enough full boxes, so I'm happy to have two. Definitely. This is, just before we get into the rest of the stickers, this is the little B6 notebook, the little stitch notebook. I love these two. I'm not going to open it just because I didn't open, well, I didn't even film that video, but I want to keep them like this while I still use them. I'm still using the one I got from the whale tail box, which was my first ever box. So yeah, we'll keep that in the wrapping. And let's go through the stickers. And sorry if my lighting's a little wonky. I'm using natural light and it looks like a storm's coming. So yeah, let's see here. Here is the messed up one, but everything else is perfect. And then here are the other. So now you have 4 sets of date covers, which is awesome. I love this little stack. I don't know if you guys, I'm probably holding this out of frame. So these are the 2 big sheets from this kit. And it's like a light gold or a gold foiling, which is so pretty. I love gold foiling. And then here are the bow seals, which I just like using in my spread. And then for the little sheets, here are the icons. I don't know if you can see them glisten. These are the date dots. And I wish I got 2 of these because I love these little boxes, but yeah, that was the sticker kit. All right, that was everything out of this little folder. Next, we are going to open this up. So this is like a little planner organizer type thing. You can't fit your planner in it. At least I can't. But they're for like, let's move these out of the way. Little like planner extras, which is cool. So you can put a whole bunch of pens in here and like scissors and stuff. Let's see. You can put this pen. Where is my free range pen? Oh wait, hold on. All right. So you can just keep like your pens in here. And here are my Erin Condren pens. I think this would just be so nice for all my pretty pens. Let's see here. Not sure why I have 2 of those. Uh-oh. And I just messed it up. So be careful. But yeah, look at how cute that looks. Holds all my pretty pens, and then you can put like washi tape or maybe this. Ooh, okay. And like some whiteout. And then you can just like stuff other things in here. I don't really see anything by me at the moment. But yeah, this is so cute and I'm so happy to have gotten this. I'm a little scared it's going to get dirty pretty fast because of the white, but I love it and it's really nice quality. And it also came with a little bow pen. Or a bow charm, not a pen. Excuse me. To match the pouch. So I'm not sure where. I think you're supposed to just hook it onto here maybe. Typically there's like little D rings, but I think this one just hooks onto here, which is really cute. All right, we're moving pretty quick, but the washi tapes is what's gonna take the longest. All right, and then I see the pen in here, and I'm guessing, and then also this. Okay, so we'll start with this. This is, she said like a little bookmark. So you can just slide the pages just right through there and it'll sit on the corner there. That actually fits pretty snugly. I thought it would like kind of fall off, but it doesn't. And it's really cute. So yeah, just a little bookmark. It's like that pleather material. It's not foam or anything like that. It's like the pleather, so that's nice. Here is the pen for this box, which now we're gonna have to take a pen out to make room for this one. Ooh, okay. So she said this is like a gray matte and it feels so nice. And it's just got the sweetest little bow engraving right there. And then of course it always has the Simply Gilded engraving on the pen cap and a little bow up there. So yeah, that's super cute. Let's put her in here. I want this thing just full of these pens by the time I'm done ordering these. So let's see. Since we have 2 of this one, we can take this one out and just pop her in. Aww. So my third box, oh, that's so amazing. Okay. Next, I'm guessing this is the, what is it? Mystery gift. So let's get a notebook and test her out. This is just my to-do list. So what to type? This is the Jelly Roll Metallic. These pens write really nice. I never really need like a real metallic-y pen for anything, but I do still have, let's see if I can find it. This was in the whale tail unboxing, or mystery item. So yeah, now I have two. Slowly getting a little collection. And then for the washi, I get the washi tape add-on. So I have all of the washi you can get. And we're going to swatch these washis. I'm so excited. So before we get into that, I'm just going to do a little up close view at everything. So this is what you would get if you just get the washi that already comes with the box, and then this is the add-on I bought to come with it. So yeah. Now we're going to swatch them so you guys can see little swatches. This is from the Chrissy Ann Designs anniversary bundle, and I just turned it into a little washi swatch book. So this was whale tail. This was free range. I love this washi. And now right here we're going to do Luminous Library. So I'm going to fast forward through this because it's going to take a while and I don't want you to have to sit there and go through it with me. Okay, guys, and there are the swatches. This washi set is so gorgeous. I think it's cool that she switched these up. So these are date covers, and these are like little headers for different sections. So there's meal plan, work, home, I saw bills. But yeah. So there is Luminous Library. This is just everything to me. I love the bows that came with it, and this one I love, and oh, I want to use these next year for my notes page in the back of my planner for like a book theme. Like, oh. But yeah, so that is everything from this subscription box. I think everything is so gorgeous. I love how much she gives to everyone because she always talks about how she goes over budget, and I could definitely see how that could happen. Let's see if we can like get a little overview of everything with the washi swatches in there. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed and you like videos like this, then subscribe because I definitely love purchasing these. I will always buy them, and well, as far as I know, I will always buy them. But yeah, I buy a lot of stuff. I like to haul it and do unboxings with you guys. So thanks again for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.